is the 2024 Jeep Gladiator facelift. The new truck gets an improved front fascia incorporating a 7-slot grille and new wheels. The 2024 Gladiator is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine making 285 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. A 6-speed manual transmission is standard across the lineup, with the 8-speed automatic as an option. Jeep will also offer 3 new uplift packages from American Expedition vehicles for the new Gladiator. Inside, the truck will feature a new 12.3-inch infotainment display that runs Uconnect 5. The new 12.3-inch screen has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and can connect 2 Bluetooth-enabled devices to the system. 12-way adjustable power seats, which underwent water fording tests, are now an option. The prices are expected to start from $42,000. Guys, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.